Hello, William here. Welcome to my channel. So you're watching a series video of how I made assets for my game while learning pixel art. So I already create a lot of animation. I think it will be better to just show you guys my game and current process, and I'm going to talk a little bit about the next step. So right now we already made this movements, idle animation, jump and falling, and jump and dash, falling down, jump and dash, and we also got a wall jump, so I can like a wall jump, okay, and then I can dash, yeah, so something like that, and also got a attack, okay, basic attack, attack 1, attack 2, and we can get the finisher attack combo, so 1, 2, 3, yeah, 1, 2, 3. So yeah, we finished a lot, and I think I'm going to pause a little bit here about the specific like skill and all that for the player, because I want to build environment. Right now, environments are pretty crude, so that's the focus of the following pixel art. So I'm going to make environments. So I'm a great fan of Castlevania, and I still remember the time when I got this GBA or something like that. It's a machine that do not emit light. It's like a reflective light. We play a lot of game on this, and then changed to PS. I don't know. It's like a handheld device. I never bought that device, and I just like lent from my friends while like we are going out, and then I like download the Castlevania into like a hard like a little like USB stick, and just brought me anywhere. If I got a computer, I go to my friend's house, I'll just you know stick that into the computer and actually play it. So I want to first try out the pixel art of a Castlevania, and then I'm going to do something creative, because I want to add my own interaction. Like I'm a developer, okay. I want my game to be a semi tutorial, semi devlog, but semi RPG game. Okay, I know it's crazy to think this way because it's kind of a mixed genre, but I want to do that. So yeah, by the way, if you're interested in the game dev as well as mobile development, AR, VR, all the fun stuff, you can go to my another channel called Code with William Jamming. You can just go to this channels. I believe we got a community tab. You click here, you can see the. It's not a community tab. It's like my other channels tab. Okay, you will find it in like homepage, and then scroll it down. You can see my other channels, right? And yeah, so let's start creating this. So what I'm going to do is create a new file, and I'm going to make it fairly big, and I'm going to say pixel background. So I'm going to prepare a like endless scroll background, because I want to create a background that's semi-pixel art but semi-realistic. The reason for me doing that is that I want this to like seamlessly left and right connect, so I can in Unity engine, in the game engine. Where's my game engine? So I want first to get the background ready. So then the front will be then I will make the tile map, so I can like build a level, build a castle, or that like Castlevania, something like that. But I want the left and right to be seamlessly together, and then you can have a endless scroll background. Okay, it will be fun. So I'm going to first decide the style, and I want this Castlevania style. So let's think about this. Okay, and I think this maybe too much. This is 5. This is definitely too much. Okay, let's create another. This is definitely too much. So so many pixel, right? So many pixel resolution. What about I decrease this to somewhere smaller? yeah, maybe I can just to use this, but I'm going to increase. Oh, but maybe pencil. Oh, pencil still got this hard rounded. Yeah, just it's not like a pixelated, so it do not have that kind of style. So yeah, this is like a first problem I encounter. What about I use the A sprite for that? I recently download A sprite, and so let's try that out. Because it's like a completely different project. Because I already finished with the character. Okay, so let's try out this one. Using the new tool. Oh yeah, it's like latest version of the A sprite. I've never used this software before, so I'm going to try to like do that the first time. So yeah, sorry about that. But I also like to just bear with me, okay? Just when I like familiar myself and use a little bit, and then I'll make it like whole series of tutorial about this software. So what I'm going to do is to make it like a bigger. So well, let me search what's the common background. Is the common resolution for game and this scroll background. Vertical is 1080. That's most common for. Okay, let me just use the vertical. That's pretty weird. So it's 1080. There will be let's search for 1080. Okay, let's try this one. 20. Then it will be 1080. RGB scale. Yeah, advanced option. What's inside? Double wide. Yeah, just the square pixel. Love this. Okay, so let's make it smaller. Yeah, that's pretty good. Got a pretty typical feeling, and yeah, I can use the mouse to scroll up and down. What about another mouse? Up, down, left, and right. Okay, I can scroll in and out. You're using the middle mouse to do that. Okay, that's pretty good. So I would like try my best to do this, and I will make another specific video for that. So it's ink, for composing. Oh, there's a lot of option. Stabilizer. I can like use a stabilizer here. So brush. I believe like here. So pencil tool B. Okay, I'm using pencil tool here. Why is not? Oh, it's already on here. So just to use it. Okay, that's pretty good. Dark color. Okay, I know. So let's think about what kind of thing that I want. So a typical Castlevania, style should be like a lot of castle. Okay, so let's build the castle. I like to make it like, oh, this will just change. Then the size, I like to make it 10. Oh, this will be pretty wavy. Okay, maybe I choose like too big. Let's. Can I just delete this? Don't save. Okay. What about a decreased one? Okay. And then I'll use like 1 pixel. Can I do that? Okay. Let me quickly do this. All right. So what about a bloody moon? Like literally bloody. Okay. Can I get a like a circle tool? Lips, feel the lips. Okay, a bloody moon. I can holding shift. Yeah, I can hold a shift. So a bloody moon here, and it's illuminating. So I'm going to use another color to, okay, is there like a quick way to do the shading? Simple ink alpha, log alpha shading, color in the palette. So if I use color drupper, okay, pig, okay, B, then dynamic. If I use shading and I use to the palette, okay, I'll add this color. Can I just choose this shading color? Then, okay, so select color in the palette. I already select this. Dynamic, pixel perfect. Stabilizer. Yeah, strange. I already added color in the palette, so why is not doing the shading? You guys still get out? Huh. Select color. Okay, is it like? Oh, I can't. Oh, shading is like from one color to another color. Yeah, I think I got it. So I got this and say got like a little bit dark blue, something like that. Okay, let me holding shift maybe. So can I get this shading? Okay. Then can I just draw? Oh, it's like a saved color. The saved color for the shading. Okay, let me just make it simple. Just make it darker. Okay. Okay, maybe not the shading, just simple ink. Okay, let me just make it a little bit darker and add some like something on the moon. Pixel perfect, we don't need that. I just need to quickly get things done. Okay, a moon, and I want everything to be pitch dark, but with a sort of blue. Yeah, that's pretty good. Setting the moon. So the houses will have, especially the castle, be a little bit brighter under the moon. So let's try this. Oh, this is a color drupper. So let me use a quick shape for this. Right, but here is the thing. I have to make the left side and right side to be like continuous. So let's think about this. What about I get a castle that's starting here, or maybe some gap. Okay, let's just make some gap. Does it like dark enough? And let's add some the dark shading part. Okay, so for example here, field, make it really dark. Okay, maybe too dark and more saturated. Let me use the brush. Okay, yeah, I'll zoom out a little bit because I don't think this is like represent a castle like structure, so I'm going to make it a pointy edges, but I don't seem to find the pointy edges here. Maybe using line. Okay, I want some sort of why is this color? I want this to like a castle-like structure. I want to get rid of the pick stabilizer. It's kind of annoying. Okay, I'm not going to go for a pixel perfect here. I just want to quickly get the style ready. Okay, like here. I'm something like this. Maybe erase. Oh, it's not a little bit different shortcut than erase to E, and can I get like a little bit smaller eraser? Okay. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, we can't use this eraser. Okay, I'm gonna stick with this one. Make it bigger, maybe 3. I don't want like a perfectly outline, just a quick like a sketchy things. So I think maybe this may make things more sort of realistic. Okay, so it's a kind of like a castle. I want it to be, yeah. It seems that using imperfect shape is better. Okay, so all this to be really like outer, and this darker as well. Ooh, that's so much better, so much better. And then I want to have a looming background, so also have some like things far away. Okay, so got like really a lot of going on. So I'm going to use this color. I'm bring this back to somewhere darker, and so it's like a array of castle, and I can't see it. Okay, I can't see it. I'm going to adjust the screen here because I like work before the computer all day, and I can hardly see things. So that's the reason I like adjust the lightness, like brightness. Okay, so that's better. Okay, that's pretty good. Bring somewhere darker. Okay, so let's do something like this. Okay, so it's like maybe somewhere here, and this will be also like somewhere pointy to the end. So let's have some sort of a shape, a looming background. Make somewhere darker. Okay, it's too dark. Castle here, and there's mountainous rock. Okay, and some of the rock here, and pointy. Can I make it smaller, like 2 or 1 maybe, to be like sharp, pointy edges. Okay. Okay. And yeah, pretty good. And reflection. I'm going to make a little bit brighter as a reflection. Make it 2. Okay. So moon is shooting this way. Okay, so why it's like reversed? It should be this way. It doesn't really matter. So what I'm going to do is to make this side to have a slightly, that's too much, slightly brighter than before. Yeah, but right now I do not know how to use the shading, so yeah, sorry about that. Just to add a little bit illuminating lights, so it's a like quick calculation in mind and to get light ready. Yeah, pretty good. Yeah, so yeah, let's quickly get some more. Okay, so let's use color picker to get this basic color. Let's add more, like tons of castles are like looming in the background, like pointy edges, like there will be some connection between these castles, maybe. Mainly pointy one here, maybe this one be taller. Okay, just to add some sort of a looming background somewhere here. Oh, there will be the mountain. Let's make it darker. Okay, so some like I don't know, tutorial settings. Some churches will be here. Okay, and then all this is like a mountain here. So yeah, left and right. Yeah, pretty good. And so I don't want like everything to be pointy, so I changed my mind. I want this to be flat. So do not everything to be pointy. Flat. Okay, that's kind of setting the mood. Setting the mood. Then what about some environments? Let's add some trees. I can make it even darker. Like right now, let's add some trees here. Trees, like some trees here. I don't know if this can be considered trees or not. Right. Trees. Okay, some trees. Yeah. Okay, I'm not going to go to too detail about this. I just want to quickly get these things done. So let's add a little bit. Okay, let's add a little like hue of the. Okay, so so in order to have illuminating effect, color plus alpha sample, I'm going to make it brighter. I'm going to try this. No guarantee it will work. Okay, so for example, add a little bit like lighting, brightness. Okay, does it working? I'm not sure. Illuminating in the sky. Is it working? Okay, maybe pretty bad. Let's just get rid of most of the addition. Just add a tiny little bit shading. Okay. Yeah. So then a little bit brightness at the top over here. Just add a little bit bright, desaturate a tiny little bit. So it's like the moon is shining on all these buildings. Okay, just add a tiny little detail. I don't want to get too detailed about it. I want to get it loose. It's like a quick concept of things. Okay, so yeah, background. Yeah, so yeah, I think I will just go with this, and I'm going to quickly put this into my game as a background, and yeah. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're interested, you can go to my another channel, say how I apply this to my game, and yeah, just in the next video, I'm going to actually add the background to the game, and I'm going to make some like town map. So yeah, see you next video. Okay, thanks, bye.